system that's not working. And usually when it's a new system like that, I tell the guy, call back the guy and put it in. I guess the guy's not returning the call, and he thinks there's a leak somewhere, and I told him I could go by there and see what's going on. It might not be a leak. Who knows? Go over there and see what's going on with it. If it's a small leak, I'd rather have the guy to put the system and fix it. You know, a lot of these guys will slap these systems in and then they take off and they don't want to go back. It's not right. You stand by your work. But anyway, we'll see what's going on with it. I don't try not to rush to judgment on anything until might be a capacitor, who knows, could be anything. Might be a leaker. Oh man, she's a leaker mama. She's a leaker mama, she's a leaker. We'll see when we get there. Leak somewhere, see that 120 on 410? Mm-hmm. That should be like 220.
Yeah.
And this is all old piping. Did he change the evaporator upstairs?
Everything was done about 3-4 years ago.
This pipe, all this pipe was new?
Yeah. Maybe you use something, I don't know. And once I get this good, I like to have the same thing insulated.
It's 14, it's a 2014 model.
Yeah.
You got a definite leak.
Yeah.
Not good.
No good.
Nope.
Well, where's the leak? Because if it leaks, then you're going to fill up the gas, it's going to leak again.
It's going to leak again, yeah.
I don't want it.
It's probably upstairs in the evaporator, most likely. I don't have time. I wonder why this is all flipping green. Whoop. Vent leave open. We're gonna have to take this cover off and see what the hell's going on. Looks like he's got it backwards. He's got the coil backwards. 14. You've been changing the filters?
Yes, every 6 months I check the filter because it's air and the heat too. So
he's got the filter. He's got this coil in backwards.
That one there, I never do nothing here.
Let me take it off and see if I can get a sniff. I get a reading on it. I got my light that fell down.
Yeah, I got it. You need it?
I need it. Yeah. Need my light. Unbelievable. So you call this guy and he never returns your calls?
Never return. I can show you on my phone every day. I keep calling.
Crazy.
Let me see. Maybe you don't want to call now. Let me see.
Flipping nuts.
No.
Maybe that's him.
Hello. Come on, give shit. Wait a minute.
Fucking things. It's a furnace with an A coil and he got it backwards. Dumbass. Fucking stupid. It doesn't probably work like that, I guess. I don't know. Let me get it up here. Not gonna work like that. 410A should be like 220 on the pressure. Not gonna work like that.
He was on the phone too. He said he was gonna come in today. I said, no, I'll get somebody here. He said, well, no, in that case, he's not covered by your warranty. Let him do whatever he needs.
Well, let him come. It's his fucking job. You tell him to come?
No, I said, no, somebody's here. If I have to pay, I don't care who's going to pay. I'm not happy with what he did. You know, for 2 weeks I've been calling, never returned my call, then...
What a flipping shit show. Unbelievable. See if we can get any hits on it. I don't like the looks of this pipe, how it's all flipping grain everywhere. Something's weird about that. Hey, buddy! Come over here. I'm getting some big hits on this coil. What, do you want a phone?
Yeah, I was on the phone with somebody else.
Oh.
Okay, I'm on phone.
What happened to my light?
I don't know. Let me see it. Yeah, probably.
You unplugged me. Oh, that's... No, you hit the switch.
No, you hit the switch.
I hit the switch.
Yeah. Okay, let me see.
I was getting some good hits on this coil when you were out there talking.
Huh?
Hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Hear the coil?
Yeah.
That's a refrigerant. It checks for refrigerant leaks. Yeah. But you see this? How this is all green? Whoa. You're hitting the flipping light again, guy. Let me see. Turn the light on. Alright, so see how this is all green?
Yeah.
I mean, the whole thing's like that. The whole line set. And you said it's new?
Yeah, I told you it's about 4 or 5 years.
Yeah, that's... I don't know what's up with that, but we're definitely getting some big hits on this coil. We're getting some good hits on the bottom there.
Yeah, around there.
Hear it?
Yeah.
So that was the guy on the phone that installed it?
Yeah. But the first
Listen
thing,
to that.
Yeah.
Hear it?
Yeah. First thing you told me, well, it's out of warranty anyway. If you have somebody there, let them fix it.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So this coil's definitely a problem. It says 14. I mean, I could... It is out of warranty. If it was within 5 years, you know? I mean, I could juice it up, but it's going to leak right out.
No, I don't want to waste the money. But
you don't want to waste the money.
Waste the money. I want it. If I had to put a new coil, like, whatever has to be done, I want to be done.
See, he should have put the coil. He should have spun the coil around the other way. I can call you back with a price. It ain't gonna happen today. I'll tell you right now.
Okay. When he put it before,
huh?
You have the drain right into the.
Yeah, and then you were smelling.
No. When it snowed, the thing blocks it. Was a water all over the place.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Then I call him. He did this now to go to the drain.
How this is all green. See how this is all green?
Yeah, but that...
You're saying that's new, right?
Yeah. That is not gonna do anything.
It's gonna eat it away. I don't know why it's so green. Unless he had it outside. See, that's kind of odd. Mm-hmm. But the coil's definitely getting some big hits on it. You heard it, right?
Yeah.
Just on the bottom tray there, so it's been leaking for sure. Hear it? What a shit show.